everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiana here. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. Don't go ahead and forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are returning, thank you for trusting me to bring you quality content. And I know you're sitting here thinking, what in the world is wrong with this girl's face? This is a look, I don't know where I was going with it, but I went there and I enjoyed doing it. And if you want to see how I recreated this look, well, not recreate. If you want to see how I created this look, go ahead and
you better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.